My name is I hail from ghatampur. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. As far my family background concerned, I have 4 members family. My hobbies are singing song and dancing and playing outdoor game. Area of improvement, I want to improve my communication skill and I want to join the defense services. Then I want and I have curiosity to join the Air Force. It's all about me. And as we know that many of the issue is going on in our country, and one issue is the girl empowerment and women empowerment. So I wish to tell about my feelings, what I think about that. What is the empowerment? Empowerment is to give the equal power to the all gender, to the equality in a gender. But in this time we are seeing that in backward areas, there are many of the villages and backward areas. The girls are not finding a best faculty to improve us to become a powerful. So as we know that in this time the government are giving the most of power and most of should give opportunity to improve the condition of the girl. And as we know that many of the laws and many of the articles are also improving condition and giving the opportunity to improve the condition of the women or the backward areas, and also giving a chance to be equal on the boys and a girl. Thank you. It's all about it.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board from DBR Inter College, UP Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies and all. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I wanted to join armed forces, so I am concerned about my aim. Today we are gathered here for the discussion about the topic. The topic is women empowerment. The condition of the women are very bad. Like we have seen that Sati Pratha and Bal Vivah was in running in past time. Raja Ram Mohan Rai has removed Sati Pratha and Bal Vivah and improved the condition of the women. And in present time our government has done very good works for the improving the condition of the women, like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Abhiyan. And
I have completed my graduation this year, and my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker, and my hobbies are playing cricket and reading the holy books. I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation and improve the economic condition of our family. Today we get a topic, women empowerment. Empowerment is the process to improve the condition of women. Our history says that women were treated, and now still women are facing many violence and crimes. So it is very bad. We should try to give them equality in men or women.
Good morning, good afternoon all of you. My name is Amir Sohel and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my BSc from Kanpur and I like playing cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and portraits. My father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My strength is I am a self-motivated and a hard-working person. I want to join Air Force because I want to financially support my family, and also it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. That's why I am here. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is women empowerment. Women empowerment is a process in which we can improve the condition of the women.
Sir, and all of my friends, my name is Amir. I am 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village Ghatampur, post of Saror, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my high school and intermediate from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In present, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. The topic given as further discussion is women empowerment. Empowerment means a person who can achieve their dreams and there is no person who disturb or stop him. In our ancient India, the women had an honorable position in their society and they are equal to men. But after the passage of times, they lost their position and honor. But it's changed after our country independence and the condition of women increase with leaps and bounds. They can do everything what they are wants and they are happy to got these rules. Our constitution also gives our society destroy all the negative rules of society and adopting good rules and positive, and it is a good for our countries. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, my name is Amir Sohel. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. It's situated in Uttar Pradesh. My city Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. If I talk about my qualifications, I have completed 10+2 exam with 85% marks on UP board. My hobbies is reading historical books and playing cricket. I have great command in language and I am punctual to the minute. I want to fly in the sky and serve each nation and improve my family's economical conditions. So I want to join Indian Air Force. We are gathered here to discuss the topic women empowerment. First of all, we have to understand the topic women empowerment. Women empowerment means empowering women and give them equal rights same as a man to make their own decision for the social development and personal development. It means encouraging women to face difficulties in any situations. There are so many women who are silently barring the harassment to their life partners and others because of lack of education, lack of illegal awareness and lack of empowerment. So governments increase schemes for the women empowerment but governments starts many schemes for the women empowerment. For example, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Mahila Samruddhi Yojana. Some times ago, our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi starts a new scheme for the empowerment of women that's called Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. It's a good step for the women empowerment. And according to Indian Constitution's Article 3019, the citizen, man and woman equally have right to an adequate means of livelihood. At last, I say proudly that women are well performing in education, health sector, medical line. For example, PV Sindhu and Sania Nehwal are well performing in badminton. They are contributing to make India strong in the world. That's my opinion.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for its leather industry. Now I tell you about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. Now I tell you about my education. I have done my BSc first standard from Kanpur University and now I am pursuing for Indian Air Force. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. If I talk about my personality, the positive in my personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. And to become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to serve the nation, I want to join Indian Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is women empowerment. Women empowerment is a process in which women are empowered. They give equal training, equal education and equal rights as men so that they can perform in different sectors like a man. because in the past times women are considered as cooking food and take care of his child and babies. Nowadays there are a lot of women who is silently bearing the harassment from their life partners because of lack of knowledge and lack of legal awareness and lack of empowerment. As there are such harassment as a female infanticide, female foeticide, but our government are running. There are a lot of campaign running as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Suraksha Abhiyan, and there are a lot of provisions in our constitutions, Article 14, Article 15, Article 16, Article 23, Article 39, and so that they, in this way many girls are interested in sports, defense sectors and medical sectors, as PV Sindhu, Hima Das and Avni Chaturvedi, Bhavna Kant as are seeing in the defense sectors. Thank you.